Hey, what's up guys, ITD here. So our topic for today is how to convert Microsoft Word to PDF file. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first search for, let's just edit this Microsoft Word. Just wait for it. Oh yeah, there. So click blank document. So I'll just gonna type how to convert Word to PDF. Alright. So click file and then click save as. And you can place it anywhere you want. I'll just save it on my desktop. Here, desktop. Okay, here in save as type, just gonna find PDF. There, PDF, and then save. We'll just wait it to convert. Oops, there we go. Okay, minimize it. There, we just created a PDF file now. Okay, let's try it. So let's open this to PDF software. Just have to wait to load. There. Okay, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.